2025, we gave you 500,000 to 600,000 for persons with disabilities, and you are counting that.
Abuja from Mamu Nyama Kwaba, Ediba Ghana and Sem TV. So, but I'm on this like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say, next time, videos of this nature, also submit to my cabinet. So, watch your comment section. Maybe we from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section. But be about we from Mr. President and Major also. Ko yin na dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e dey into Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment abe hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say adi we retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Mommy enko mess is here.
And I said I want all the 4 advices from Billi0n for Ayawaso Central. When you receive them, go and be waiting for me in our office. By the time we close, you must meet me there. Exactly. All things being equal. If you were given 112 for a third quarter, the third quarter amount was huge. The first quarter was a bit smaller. Second quarter was also huge. And fourth quarter was huge. Meaning, let's take this one at the average. Meaning you have received at least 4 to 500 million, 4 to 500,000 for PWD. Wow. Is that what you have? On record, what you have? Let me see your paper now. Now look at it. The one you were going to give me and I said, go and bring it. The main. But do I ask you of the main? The main I have it. I said PWD. I want the bank statement. Then you can just do this thing and give it to me. Is that not what you do? Apart from being able for them, what other work you do? This is your job. Oh no. You say we all want to go to Dubai. Their civil service or public service is very competent. And they work with honesty and sincerity. That's why their country is what it is. So nobody can make Ghana good if you don't put Ghana in order. And when we are demanding for these first things, that's what we expect from you. President has given you money for persons with disability. He said you take it and invest it for them. And you have received it. Well, it shouldn't be easier for you to account and say this is how much I received. Then you are telling me you have spent 126,000. Meaning 3 times of that money is in the account. You have not spent it. That's why I'm saying go and bring the record to. If in 2025 we gave you 500,000 to 600,000 for persons with disabilities, and you are counting that you have spent only 126,000 on them, shouldn't I interrogate you further? Shouldn't I do that? So I'm right. Go and bring the record. Thank you.
No wode eto so ede ma no kwadu ankasa kwatu gina so de saa so twe nyina ma no na ebi ene se wa fa dwen wa boni ti mu pos obebo man ne kro no de edi kan ne ato so me no wa seda bokro no ankasa ne ato so me se enam ne nsa so na dwuma yo so amoma no ahwiri sika ye o man de ma ne se won hwe so antimi anhwe so ye money laundry ne nyina aka ho bi ne nyina ye kwadu a o man no ede jire no na enu ochi o mo sa kire mu se Maslock is kabine yesi de empim ahenum 500,000 Ghana cedis. Komo de kwa ye dwumadie bi dwumadie na ntimi amaso ene esarete ani sika de sika ne ba ya sika na nkodi aban afutuo mu bio ekoto no mom ne baagi mu ena hwem sika no ame bio eno nti nkoda ebre bi eje to kantamanto ame echa sika bi semfa mwa wonwa omo akwa ahoyehia mu no sika na nkodu om ho eno susu wom afa ne nsase wonu nyina yakwa adu a ode bo no anti wogina so de ne kogina court afi 2021 eno na court gina asem so saa de tu dwa say wodi for entimfie du onkotwa wafiase enam so akosa ne ho yare a wa ma bi ontina so twenda ho twen no ena no no aba bedu ye nrachi ena obedru ye ewo eye enkrayomhye gina bia wodru ye no sabi ne ho mfa no enti wote wheelchair mu na daily guidance is wodi bo no so ho se mam ne sabi ne ho mfa no ampa e se na ne na se atata kakra enti no se ye ka se waye appeal Emma appeal na lawyer for nso so dia kwakodan court say high court no anka say odi asem no kwa wo ye mfonso kwa adu omu gina so di bo maami didi tu dwade ye oh eti niam bebre to sini wo mu nti no say so asan aye appeal den ya wo hwe say court nso di na no di sem ebeba betu
na MPP for o kan say ma fi no mo hope o kan na nka etie wa adwuma ni system ni mu o 24-hour economy ni say ekosen no unti dia no aka fa ho e fa flooding no dia no aka wo minister for works and
ato force na eye ato force ayo no a o ka so ni evidence o asam na o kan oni evidence but na nia bere because na dwen chane say obi akoye post ama e bia mu ato force that number 1 enti mame ka bibia be ma ato force ho aye hi aden ti mu ade mu ye mu hu nti aye mamo in a minute the American Ghana 42 ni NDC mu amu aban mu mate mu ho ase ne say there is a man called John Dramani Mahama and he is the president of the land ni tumi na yen Ghana for ye de man no and 1.1% bi no de amamu se mu ni respect ma yen 32 million for na ya kawa abonte na ye mu be se 6 million e kwa 7 million to abama president Mahama na more respecting make say the power of our tomb. Tamunimwa. Obi wa hanuma office or timu sisi ya no. Just 2 years ago, no chum wa office wa o chum. Utimi na ni wadi hwe ukwa wa enye ye. Uni tumi bi ade kwa. But today you are occupying that seat. You have to remember that it is because of a name called John Dramani Mahama, who is the president of the land. A Ghana for the tumi amano. And wa panic akrebi. President in them what ya konya so cry chat no responding. E to na friend no crop fa. And the ministers yi any appointees yi o friend say tie ni. As a business we wiase nyina ya de aso awo mo. And attention hunu kwa no mo kreti. Abu kwa mo refisa president Mahama kra wo ho. And ya na ha me no. And ye mo ye ni nyina e total disrespect to the president. Some president wo ho. Now our interest be crying to want me hide the kakrampo. Supporters is crying to me hide it. Ebi wa ha come a woman that could be out of any job. But it's like air overshadow. A man one was a question. And people have relaxed. And no money are brain or multi free no more do pay. Hey, Massa.
Muzena down. Simu de bia ye kan wasem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say ba we ni we na meye ma mo na. Ebusia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to go and cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yenwie because of time. But those ones yetimi we compound go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many will say, "Hey, just and the go sana no me say." It is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya. Ese ke scan kwa kanye de wasa e botumi e say oh I say wo say MP for ya akonfo ne ma akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate am je o be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo ise enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na ten afi de mo keke mo kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko mo ntum we asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko mo ntum ne nko yin na ho chief imam for nko mo ntum ne nko yin na ho politicians ni nko mo ntum ne nko yin na ho market women no nko mo ntum ne nko yin na ho obi ankara no ntum ne nko yin na ho 2020 jua they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open ko nkete Nancy bibi ni na kasa de sebi ye bibi ya nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bia invest square ye nkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems you know most open ko nkete is enya mo de you people chose policy you people chose music over policy na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu akire me na wo ne wo sia akire me sabi me na me ko ka kire rajon dramani ma so o mema was come to mutu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba mo mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de rajon dramani ma ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo say okay ne beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu na to me hu letter bi a yokofo tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true
okwa ne letter na wo say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true
onya adwuma order and onya juma wo hoda ama nam one for the first time nam one I post oh yes nam one I post ya no catch obi say dipa ne boa o se sa asem na me say for the first time nam one akwa pe ba bia akoda na nam one yes na che say wo se no kura adwiri ni say state institution a we intelligence institution who need intel ayeka bro problem ni nyina ne say economy no kwa na eboa ye problem ni nyina ne say papa your council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost why na se maintain ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy we take omo statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wa court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defediana afi the was by I say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no. We invite na our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Tango. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin ma be me and Sabia. I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP.
And
this state institution, sir. Oh, on Sano Huno, no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my